Weekly Advisor Movements, 10th of February 2022, brought to you by ARdata. So a benign week this week. We've still got quite a few licensees to report their numbers from December year end, but we actually had a net positive week this week. So return to the industry of 4, switched of 24 and new of 9. So a net gain this week of 13. Bringing advisor numbers to 17,312. Who's new to the industry? So George joining Perpetual, Jordan to Australian Unity, and Liam to AMP. So congratulations, guys, on becoming advisors. Biggest gains this week. We had Count up 2, or a net 2, mostly coming across from Commonwealth Financial Planning following that closure of that license. North Point Investment Services up 3, or a new license there. Those 3 advisors coming from M3 or Millennium 3. Acumbo Private Wealth, 4 advisors. Canaccord Genuity, 4 advisors coming across from Euroz Hartleys. Fiducian 7, that's due to the takeover from, or the merger from People's Choice Credit Union. And Industry Fund Services up 9, now sitting at 101, with those advisors coming across from Energy Super. Biggest losses this week, we had Watershed down 2, now sitting at 15. Pointer Hargraves down to now 5 advisors. Hamilton Wealth Partners closing its license, so a high net worth firm closing its license, a loss of 3 to the industry. Millennium 3 down 5. And Energy Super down 8, as mentioned, most of those advisors, or all of those advisors, going across to IFS. So that's it for the week. Please join me again next week.